This corner isn't very entertainment friendly. Much better. We just needed a DIY bar cart. Let me show you how I made it with my very favorite WORKPRO tools. Start by cutting all the wood for the base. This is going to be a bunch of 2x2s at different lengths. First, drill pocket holes in the small aprons. Once the pocket holes are drilled, go ahead and connect the small aprons to the leg pieces. To attach them together, I used my WORKPRO cordless drill and 2.5-inch wood screws. You should have 2 identical legs that look like these. Next, cut a groove in each of the 4 apron pieces. You're going to do this with a straight router bit. On the opposite side of the groove, drill a pocket hole. Next, connect all 4 long apron pieces to one of the legs with the grooves on the inside. Now it's time to insert our shelves. The first shelf is going to be made out of 14 18-inch 1x3 boards. Looking good so far. The bottom shelf is going to be made out of 10 1x4 boards at 18 inches. I used pennies as spacers, and it should be a press fit. Alright, the shelves are in. Make sure everything's level before we attach the second leg. To attach the second leg, line it up so that it's parallel to the first leg. Use wood glue and 2.5-inch exterior screws. Alright y'all, we got a cart, but we're not done yet. Let's add a little wine glass holder. I'm going to go ahead and route 2 more scrap pieces of board and mount them underneath the bar cart. Hold the first piece in place with clamps and then finishing nails to secure it. The space between the 2 pieces should be about 2 3/4 of an inch, or you could just use your wine glass to make sure that you have the spacing right. Perfect, now it's time for the finishing touches. Let's go ahead and fill in all of the pocket holes with wood filler. Once that dried, I sanded the entire thing with 120 then 220 grit sandpaper, followed by natural stain on the slats and a black gel stain on the base. Finally, I used a wipe-on spar urethane to seal my bar cart. Finally, this corner is something to celebrate. This super easy DIY bar cart was so simple because I had all of my favorite WORKPRO tools plus my brand new WORKPRO router bits. I absolutely love how it came out. Be sure to follow Southern Yankee DIY for more easy builds.